exam, right?
I know, it's about the exam.
Okay, how about you're just finding yourself. You have a feeling that you fail. Today that's your exam that you are having this feeling. Just go straight into your exam hall and just go him out to do best.
Don't think that I won't write the exam for
Are you for real here? Please, you don't believe in yourself.
you. How many times now?
You've done this thing before.
How many times? I'm even tired.
See, listen to me. This time around, just have the feeling that it's your final time to write it. You understand? Trust me, you do this. No? That's not it. What's the wrong? Please, you're alright. I should let you write it down. Like, listen to yourself. How is that possible? How is that possible?
Babe, it's possible now. You can help me.
It's not possible. I should have known now. It's not possible.
Babe, you are my
Wait, let me remind you, in case you forget. I'm part of the board that set up this principle.
I know now.
It's not going to happen.
Babe.
Okay, what if I got caught? I'll just try like this. Now you're smiling. Don't worry. Okay, see, what is there is that when it's almost time, just let me know. Yeah?
Thank you.
That's my love.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
good girl.
I will.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, we are starting right now. Like, you're already running late for the exam. Have this.
Have it.
Have yours.
Have it.
And this one to the back. We have less than 1 hour now to finish this very exam. And your time starts now.
You make my world feel so right, even sometimes when I'm wrong. Baby, check all over and forget all the trauma. Say, oh me, your love for me, Joe. Hey, let it go,
Young man. I'm talking to you, young man. Pass me that paper. Let me see. What are you doing in my exam? From what I'm seeing here, this is a female name. What are you doing right here in my exam?
I can explain.
What's your name? But this is a female name I'm seeing right here. Stand up.
I can explain.
I said stand up and leave my exam hall. Stand up and leave my exam hall. And I will discipline you for this. I said leave my exam hall.
Baby, check all over and forget all the trauma. Say, oh me.